Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today my friends, we're back here once again with breaking news, and this time we have two brand new software updates for the DJI Mavic Air 2 and also for the DJI Mini 2, and these software updates are really good and they add some brand new features that we haven't had it before, and all this info we're going to be covered in today's video. But before we get started, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and make sure that you subscribe here because we're always going to be the first ones to bring you the latest drone news. And also, if you want to participate in our next giveaway, make sure that you subscribe so you can be eligible to participate. So my friends, with that being said, let's go ahead and dive right into today's video, which is a very exciting one. So just yesterday, DJI released two different software updates for their two new latest drones. Okay, so we're going to get started with the DJI Mavic Air 2 software update, which is going to include the following things right here on the screen. So we're going to be getting an added cruise control for free mode in hyperlapse. Okay, exercise caution when using cruise control, so it's very important to keep in mind. Always make sure you're careful while using cruise control while in hyperlapse mode. We also now get optimized return to home if the aircraft is at a distance of 5 meters to 50 meters from the home point. When RTH is initiated, the aircraft adjusts its orientation and flies to home point at current altitude. Okay, so this means that the aircraft will no longer go to the predetermined flight height that you have set on your drone. So that means if you're flying at an altitude of 30 meters and you lose signal at, let's say, 30 meters, the drone is going to come back at the same altitude. So let's say if you have it set to 200 feet, it will not go up to 200 feet, it will come back at the same altitude at which you're flying. So just be careful with it, okay? And so that's the update for the DJI Mavic Air 2, which is really not a lot of changes, but the one where we get a a lot of new features is on the new DJI Mini 2 software update, which I'm gonna go ahead and share right here on the screen with all of you. There we have it. So what do we get with the new DJI Mini 2? Well, we now have added zoom to photo mode. That's crazy. We don't even have that on the DJI Mavic Air 2. That's great. We now also get added 48, 50 and 60 frames per second shooting frame rate for 2.7K video on the DJI Mini 2. This is great. This is really good, and this really does make the DJI Mini 2 even better. Can you believe it? We also now get optimized Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, providing a faster and more stable connection. We now also get increased flight stability in some scenarios. And there was an issue that just got fixed, which was an abnormal color which appeared in panoramic DNG photos, okay, which is RAW format, okay. And also it fixed an abnormal texture, okay. So those are the latest updates for DJI's latest drones. If you don't know how to update your drone, we did a video covering on how to do so. Make sure you check it out if you don't know how to update your drone. Okay, so that's all the new updates that we have for the new DJI drones. I'm hoping that we get the added zoom feature onto the Mavic Air 2 soon. I'm hoping for it. I would really like to have that. So that's all I have for all of you today, my friends. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Drone Emotion signing out.